Welcome to the installation video of PDF Viewer for WordPress. But first, let me tell you where to get this plugin. You need to come at this URL of CodeCanon, and then in this page click Add to Cart. When the item is added to the cart, go to Checkout. You need to fill the information and complete the process. After completing the process, you can download this plugin from CodeCanon. So when the download is complete, go to your WordPress dashboard and then go to Plugins and then Add New. In the Plugins tab, click Upload Plugins and then choose File. Choose the PDF Viewer for WordPress and then click Install Now. When the installation is completed, click Activate Plugin and then the plugin will be activated. You can see here the PDF Viewer for WordPress is installed and activated on my WordPress website. And you can see there is a new tab, PDF Viewer. Now you need to register the plugin. Click on Register. To register the plugin, you need to have a purchase key, and you can have that purchase key from your CodeCanon page. You need to put the purchase key here. Go to that CodeCanon page of PDF Viewer for WordPress and then go to Support. You will find the purchase key here when you are logged in from your account. So copy that purchase key and put that purchase key into your WordPress dashboard and then click Register PDF Viewer for WordPress. And after that, the installation, activation and registering process is done.